Hi guys, in this video I show you how to use Google Slides step by step. First, we are going to sign into Google Chrome and open Slides from the Google apps. Once we opened Google Slides, we can select any template, or we are going for the blank one right here. After opening the blank presentation, we need to select a theme. We are doing this by clicking right here at themes, and then on the right sidebar we can scroll through all the themes which are available here. Let's select this one. The next step would be to add a text or just change the current one. Double click on the text box to add or change the text. Here on top you can set the style, font and the position of your text. The text box can be resized, rotated and moved. Let's also change the position or alignment of this subtitle right here. Now I'm gonna show you how to add additional slides to your presentation. To add a new slide, just click on this plus icon in the top left corner. You will see a new empty slide below the previous one. Now I'm gonna show you how to apply layouts. Just right click on the new empty slide, click on apply layout, and here you can select one of these layouts. I'm gonna select this one. As a next step, we are going to insert media such as photos or anything else. To do it, just click on insert, image and then click on upload from computer. I'm gonna select this man in a suit, which looks good for a business presentation. Same as with the text, you can resize, move and rotate this image. Looking at this line in the middle shows you whether your image, text box or anything else is centered or not. Let's also add some captions, CEO of the company, and align it, bring it to the center of this text box. To delete a slide, all you need to do is right clicking on the slide you want to delete and click on delete, or simply select the slide you want to delete and press the delete button on your keyboard. As a next step, I'm gonna show you how to add slide transitions and also how to add animations to your text boxes or also other elements inside your presentation. Click on transition on top to open the options for slide transitions and animations. With another slide transition, you are adding another way one slide is changing to another one. And here under object animations, you can change the way text boxes or images are being shown or the movement after changing the slides. You can now just click here to open the drop down and select the transition you like. Just test it out, what is your favorite or just fits for this slide. You can change the speed of this transition and you can apply it for every slide if you want. To add an animation, just select the object or just the text box you want to animate. For example, here this text box. Click on add animation and select the style of animation you want. Also decide and select the way this animation will happen. For example, on click or after the previous one. The speed of this animation can also be set here and you can click on play to see a preview. This is how it looks like. If we go back now, we can apply it to all slides. And now I'm gonna show you how to present the slideshow. To present your slideshow, all you need to do is clicking on the slideshow button in the top right corner. You will see now the result. To download the slideshow, just click on file in the top left corner. Now go to download and here you have the option to download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint PPTX. So you can also use it on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.